Now here we have Stacey who will explain skeletal system. How many bones do we have, Stacey?
We have 206 bones in our skeletal system.
Okay, now you have to explain all the bones, okay, where it is present. Okay, now continue.
Skeletal system have two parts, axial and appendicular. Axial में 80 bones होते हैं, appendicular में 126 bones. Axial में 4 पार्ट होते हैं, skull 29 bones, sternum 1 bone, vertebral column 26 bone and ribs 24 bones, 12 pairs. skull में 29 bones होते हैं, इसमें 4 पार्ट होते हैं, cranium 8 bone, facial 14 bones, hyoid bone 1 bone and ear ossicle 6 bones. cranium में 8 bones होते हैं, frontal, occipital, parietal, temporal, sphenoid and ethmoid. facial bone 14 bones होते हैं, mandible, maxilla, zygomatic, palatine, buccal cavity, roof of buccal cavity, nasal, vomer, inferior turbinate and lacrimal. ear ossicle 6 bones होते हैं, malleus, stapes, incus, into 2 कर देंगे तो 6 bones हो जाएंगे. हमारा skull complete हुआ. अब sternum 1 bone complete, vertebral column 26 bones, cervical vertebrae 7 bones, thoracic vertebrae 12 bones, lumbar vertebrae 5 bones, sacrum 5 bone fused 1 vertebrae and coccyx 4 fused bone 1 vertebrae. Vertebral column completed and rib bones 24 bones 12 pairs. First 7 pairs called true ribs because it's attached directly to sternum. 8th, 9th and 10th pairs called false rib because it's indirectly attached to sternum and directly attached to 7th rib. 11th and 12th bone, 11th and 12th pair called floating ribs because it's not attached to directly to sternum. Axial 80 bones completed. Now appendicular system, there are 2 parts. Appendicular system have 2 parts, limbs which have 120 bones and girdles 6 bones. Limbs have 2 parts, upper limbs and lower limbs. Upper limbs we have humerus, ulna, radius, carpal 8 bones, metacarpals 5 bones and phalanges 14 bones called digit bones, and into 2 we have a total 13 to 30 60 bones. Upper limbs complete, lower limbs femur 1 bone, tibia 1 bone, fibula 1 bone, patella knee bone 1 bone, tarsal 7 bone, metatarsal 5 bones, phalanges 14 digit bones. 30 plus 30 60 bones. Lower limbs complete 120 bones and 6 bone. Girdles we have 2 part, pelvic girdle and pectoral girdle. Pelvic girdle have 2 coxal bone, each coxal bone made up of 3 fused bones, ischium, pubis and helium, and the cavities formed due to fusion of these 3 bones is called acetabulum, and the head of femur is attached to acetabulum. Then pectoral girdle have 2 pairs, 2 clavicle and 2 scapula, and the cavity is made as glenoid cavity where the head of humerus is attached. Total 206 bones.
I have one question. Can you write the formula of vertebral column?
Yes, ma'am.
Miss formula C7, C cervical vertebrae, thoracic vertebrae 12, lumbar vertebrae 5, sacrum 5 but fused, coccyx vertebrae 4 bones but fused. See formula. Good. Thank you, ma'am.